Question 4. Sophie is organising a raffle. Each raffle ticket costs 50p. She sells 400 tickets. The probability that a ticket chosen at random wins a prize is 0.1. Each winning ticket receives a prize worth £3. Sophie says, I expect the raffle to make over £100 profit. Show that Sophie is wrong. So, first of all, I would work out the income from selling the raffle tickets. So each raffle ticket costs 50p. She sells 400 tickets. So income would be 50 times 400, which would be 20,000. That's pence. So that would be £200. So she has £200 income. Now she says that the probability that a ticket chosen at random wins a prize is 0.1. So with 400 tickets, if you times that by 0.1, you would get 40. So we expect that 40 tickets would win a prize. Now each winning ticket receives a prize worth £3. So 40 times 3 is £120. So that is how much it would cost for the prizes. So her overall profit would be 200 minus 120, which is £80. So the final answer would be expected profit is £80, not 100. Question 5. ABC is a right angled triangle. AB equals 20 centimeters and BC equals 30 centimeters. Calculate the angle BAC. So angle BAC is this angle here, and I'm going to label it, let's say, X. Now, we know that in a right angle triangle, we can use either two rules: Pythagoras' theorem or trig ratios, which is SOHCAHTOA. Now, because I need to find an angle, I need to use SOHCAHTOA. So, I'm going to be using my formulas for SOHCAHTOA, the trig ratios. So, first of all, let's see what sides I've been given. I've been given the opposite side and the adjacent side. So, I will have to use tan. So, I know then that tan of x equals opposite over adjacent, which is 37 over 20. Now, to find out what x is, you need to do the inverse of tan. So x equals tan to the minus 1 of 37 over 20. In my calculator, I'll do shift tan to the minus 1 and then put 37 over 20. So careful here, I actually put my bracket here, so I need to do it here. So I would get 61.6069. So I'm going to round that to one decimal place. So I should get 61.6 degrees. So that would be my final answer. Question 6. A bag contains some counters. There are 300 counters in the bag. There are only red, white, blue counters in the bag. The probability of picking a blue counter is 23 over 50. The ratio of red counters to white counters is 2 to 1. Calculate the number of red counters in the bag. Now, normally with this type of question, if you see the bullet points, usually you can work in order, and you'll have information where if you work in order, you can work out the answer. So there's 300 counters in the bag. Red, white, and blue counters. Red, white, and blue counters. I'll just put that there. The probability of picking a blue counter is 23 over 50. So we can actually work out the blue counter first. So I need to do 23 over 50 of 300. Now, if I want to do that, I've got my calculator. I could do 300 divided by 50, which is 6, and then 6 times 23, which is 138. So I've got 138 blue counters there. That means red and white combined would be 300 minus 138, which is 162. Don't forget, make sure you show all your working out. Now it says the ratio of red counters to white counters is 2 to 1. So I need to share my ratio between 3 parts altogether. So because 2 plus 1 equals 3. So I'll do 162 divided by 3. 162 divided by 3. That is 54. And then I'll times it back onto my ratio. So 2 times 54 is 108. And 1 times 54, obviously it's just 54 as well. So 108 would be my red and 54 will be my white. So my answer would be 108. Question 7. Construct a perpendicular from the point P to line AB. Show all your construction lines. So there will be a video now and you will need a compass. So what's happening in this video is that you need to put your compass on your point and you need to mark 2 points that are equal distance from the point to the line AB. Then you put your point on the 2 marked points. Now I adjusted it so that it's more than halfway from the 2 points. And then I will do an arc on the other side. Make sure you do not change the length when you're doing the arcs. Then all you do is join the points with your arcs at the other side and then you have got it.